Hello everybody and welcome back to another Universe Sandbox video. Today we're going to be having some fun. I don't really have a plan for this Easter special, and I had this stupid idea about turning the planets into eggs, making the planets egg-shaped, because actually if we go out to the outer planets, yeah, Haumea, I don't know if it's modeled in this game. No, it's not actually. But if you look at Haumea, hold on, let's just turn on a flashlight so we can actually take a look-see at Haumea. Yeah, flashlight. You can see it's spinning really fast. I mean, we're playing the game at days per second. Let's play the game at like hours per second. Let's go real time. See if we can notice any spin. There we go. That's about a second every second. And if we just stand still here, you might be able to notice it spinning. Perhaps. Still, it's spinning really quick. Let's see, how fast are you spinning? It's not 0.163 revolutions a day. And in real life, this actually causes Haumea to kind of widen out. And yeah, I just kind of wanted to make all the planets spin real fast because I thought they would bow out and become egg-shaped. You know, it's fine. We'll start with Haumea. We'll you know, maybe give it a bit more spin. Yeah, what happens if we just spin you a little bit faster? So yeah, how fast can we spin? Oh, there we go. Okay, so that wasn't really that much faster until it starts falling apart. Wait, hold on, slow it down. Let's stop it from coming apart. Wait, there. So now it's not falling apart anymore. Stuff is still flying off, though. Yeah, I don't know, this is kind of a stupid idea for a video, but I didn't really have anything else to do. I didn't really want to skip the Easter special this year, so I guess this is what we're doing. No, I didn't want to look at that. Thank you. Let's do it by hours. So 3 revolutions an hour. Okay, so at 2 revolutions an hour, it's still fine. Oh, no, it's not fine. It keeps turning off my flashlight. Where'd it go? Where'd the planet go? There's Haumea. Flashlight. I want to see what's going on. No. It keeps changing. But anyway, there you go. I think that pretty much sums it up. This thing spins itself to pieces. Maybe we can do 1 revolution an hour? I feel like that's gonna... Oh yeah, that right around there. There it goes. Yep. There it goes. Spinning itself to pieces. But the thing is, and let's speed things up, it's gonna eventually settle though. It'll eventually settle into its new faster speed of rotation. Yeah, like it's not losing any more mass. It's become more dense. The denser stuff, just all the light stuff got flung off. You know, I feel like I'm actually learning stuff doing this. I thought this would just be stupid fun, but I'm actually learning. Like, yeah, it threw off all the light stuff, but the dense stuff is remaining on the planet. Alright, should we try spinning it faster? I don't even know which direction it's spinning anymore. Let's see how much stays on at 1 revolution an hour. I'm interested. Oh, I slowed it down. No, sped it up. Oh, look at that. It loses enough stuff so that the rotational period goes down. Yeah, look, I speed it up, but then mass gets flung off and it slows down. I guess that makes sense, because it's basically ejecting stuff off, and then the forces push back on it. That's interesting. It eventually throws off enough mass in order to get back to where it was. Very interesting. Rotational period, positive infinity. It's spinning so fast. It's spinning infinitely fast. Well, I think we've had enough fun with Haumea. Should we see how fast we can spin Uranus?
That's what she said!
Yeah, Uranus is tilted 90 degrees, so it's spinning like this. And it's already going pretty fast, 0.718 per day. So here we go. Spin. Gosh, how fast is it going now? 1.03 days. Switch up to hours, so that's 2 hours. Let's see if we can get it up to 1 hour, because that's kind of where Haumea started falling apart. Oh, no, okay, yep, 1 hour, and it starts shooting gas off. Seems like whenever I get hit by the gas, that's what causes it. But yeah, this is throwing gas off, because it's a gas giant. But yeah, it's doing the same thing the other one was. You get it spinning fast enough, and everything goes back. And now I got it wobbling. I think it probably has a lot to do with surface gravity, basically, how fast things can stay together. Oh, how are the moons doing? Does this affect the moons? I don't know if this affects the moons at all. Oh, well, there are no moons. We have to manually add the moons. Sure, we'll add the moons. Yeah, the moons seem unaffected. the fact that the planet is spinning faster has no effect on the moons. Alright, well, let's keep moving up. Let's see if Jupiter can handle that kind of speed. Jupiter is also already spinning quite fast. So let's slow you down there. And push you to the breaking point. Okay, 2 hours, fine. Yep, it's around like that 1.6. They all fall apart. I wonder if that's something to do with like the size and the gravity and stuff like that. Oh, we should try it on one of the Kerbal planets, because those are dense. I wonder if they'll hold together better. But like under normal materials, it's like this is like the certain point where rotation just beats gravity. And it's around the 2 hours a day mark. Look at that. If I times this by 10. Oh no, that just slows it down. Gotta do the opposite of that. Boom! And now it's a tiny little point. Just the core of Jupiter. What's the composition of this? Is it just medical? Yeah, it's just silicate. Little bit of helium, but mostly silicate. Ooh, and it's blinky. Very blinky. Is that because it's rotating so fast? Yeah, it is kind of rotating quite quick. I mean, could we even spin this apart? Like if I lower this guy's speed, yeah, even he falls apart. So maybe we can just spin this until there's nothing left. You know. Just spin Jupiter until it's just, yeah. Nothing's left. Except for beautiful gas clouds. Let's try the sun. We'll do the sun, and then we'll test out the Kerbal planets, because I know they're dense. But yeah, let's try out the sun. I'm sure it's gonna have the same effect. Actually, it might start spinning apart sooner, because it has fusion. Fusion pushing everything out. So let's see. I can't even see my arrow. Yep, there it goes. Oof. Spin the sun apart. Interesting all the different colors you get. Whoa. If the sun just suddenly spun itself apart, this is what you would see. Wow. Let's see, is it warm on Mercury? Seems normal temperature, actually. Yeah, it's not really getting that much hotter. Probably gonna start cooling down because the sun's gone. And of course, with the sun being gone, all the planets are gone too. Except for the ones that I've already spun to bits. I mean, I guess Uranus is still alive. And there go the moons. This is too fun. Alright, let's try the Kerbal system now. There we go. Okay. You know what, let's do Kerbin first. Why? Because I want to. So Kerbin's rotation period is actually already faster than an Earth day. It's 0.25 a day, which is roughly 6 days an hour. Or 6 hours per day, which is what you notice in the game. But let's get that a bit faster. Those are rookie numbers. Spin. Oh yeah, I gotta hit play. If you want planet to spin, you have to hit play. Oh yeah, look. We can go way faster. Oh. Is that just the water pooling? I see stuff happening. I'm gonna wait. We're at the hour mark. I think that's just the water pooling to the equator. Because yeah, obviously the water will do that. But yeah, nothing's falling off because of how dense Kerbin is. Oh yeah, I also forgot we put Minmus in a backwards orbit, so it would be stable. Yeah, all the water is at the equator. Okay, so what's the limit? Half-an-hour days are fine. I wonder what the gravitational field would be, because obviously it would be lighter. You would definitely be able to get off the planet a whole lot easier. Let's see, can we do 25-minute days? Oh no, there we go. That's it right there. Around 0.3 hours, which is 21 minutes. Oh yeah, we did do 25-minute days. Well, just barely, before the planet became very hot. So I'm guessing probably all these, because if they're all equally dense that they all probably have equally equal rotational periods that result in them exploding. So yeah, if we spin the Mun up to about half an hour, it should be fine, because it should be just as dense as Kerbal. Eve will probably be more dense. We should try Eve. I bet we can get Eve going pretty fast. Yeah. Half an hour just fine. Half an hour to Ace. As we orbit Kerbal, which is just on fire. I think it's still shooting stuff off. Yeah, it is. Alright, let's try out Eve. Oh, it's just streaming off into the sources. There. Interesting. It's all flinging off that direction. Okay, Eve. How fast do we make you go? Fast enough to be tidally locked to Gilly. I think that is about tidally locked to Gilly. Okay, that's half an hour. Okay, it's fine at 0.4. 0.3. Oh, and there it goes. So yeah, Kerbal I think blew up at around 0.4. Eve got to 0.3. So yeah, the denser the planet, the more it helps it prevent it from spinning apart. So yeah, again, I'm not really sure if this is a video that needed to be made, but I just wanted to put something out for Easter. So yeah, hopefully you guys are having a good Easter, and hopefully maybe this video made it a little bit better. Yeah, hopefully this was entertaining. I don't know why, but I want to spin Jewel. We're not going to learn anything new from this. It's probably going to break apart. I don't know. I remember I upped the surface gravity. So it'll probably spin pretty quick. I thought it was going to break apart sooner, because I know Jewel normally has about the same gravity as Kerbal, which is interesting for a gas giant. Oh, yeah, okay, yep, broke apart a bit sooner. Yeah, nothing broke apart sooner. Let's see if that makes the moons unstable. They seem to be fine. They seem to be fine. You can also try pushing. Push. That might have messed some things up. There we go, we broke things. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to leave a like, subscribe for new videos, have a great rest of your day, and yeah, feel free to drop some ideas for more things we can do in Universe Sandbox here. But yeah, I definitely don't expect spinning planets to be as fun as this was, so hopefully you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. Anyways, see you later, bye!